Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Artistically Inked bundle. So here's the Artistically Inked bundle, and for this card I used this lovely leaf die. I cut it out of gold foil, and it's just beautiful when you use the gold foil. So I've already stamped everything for this card, but I started with a piece of Pear Pizzazz 4 1/4 by 11, scored it 5 1/2 and folded in half. And I'm just gonna move these up here to the side. And I've got a piece of Evening Evergreen that's 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have stamped using this nice blobby stamp, I'm gonna call it, in Pear Pizzazz. And I've stamped it going up this way and then over this way to create this nice little side piece right here. And then I've stamped Best Wishes up in the corner. And then I have the little pieces from the ephemera pack that I'm going to use. I put them in a clear bag, but they come like this. And they have gold pieces and gold hexagons that you can use. They will be available to order August 2nd. And they have these little sequins that I'm gonna use as well. And then I've already stamped and cut out the leaves and the flower and the little flower for the center. But I'm gonna start by applying the gold piece here. And I'm just gonna use a sponge and some liquid glue so I can apply the glue quickly. So I'm just gonna daub the glue on the back side of the leaves. Add a little bit more glue here. Just make it quick and easy to apply the glue. And now I can just add that. It's so pretty to the card. And if there's any glue that you see, maybe you can just use a little wet wipe and just like wipe off some of the glue, because I want that shine from the gold foil to come forth. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this to the Evening Evergreen. And then I'm going to add some of the little ephemera. So I think I'm gonna put this on dimensionals first. So just gonna maybe do like 2. And then I'll do 1 for the middle. So I'll place this over here in the corner. And then we'll do 1 for the middle. Fill that middle in. Looks like I've got an extra one. And then you can do the green if you want to. Kind of gets lost a little bit, so if you just wanted to do all the gold, that would be pretty. So you could add those with glue dots. Like doing the glue dots, just easy. And just add a glue dot to the end right there. And that way you can just place it right in there. And then we can do one right here. And I think that one's gonna be too big to go right there, and it's gonna end up off the page. So maybe I'll do it down here. And then I think we'll add this one. Let's go ahead and put this on the card so we see if this one could like fit over here. It's gonna be too far off, I think. So I think we might be done. Maybe we could put it over here, or I like it over there though. I think it looks nice. What am I hitting? Maybe I could stick it in further like that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And I'll forego the pear pizzazz. I like that. And then if you wanted to, you can add like a little pear pizzazz leaf somewhere. It seems kind of odd though after not adding any pear pizzazz leaves, but you know, maybe one. Or maybe you could add them on top of the gold. I don't know, you could just have fun and just like experiment. Yeah, kind of like that. So put some adhesive on that and just tuck it in a little bit more right there. So you've got some pear and some gold. Maybe one over here, pear and gold. So do the gold first and then the pear. So like that. And then maybe put this one over here, or maybe in between these two. No. Or maybe over here, like that. Okay. Do that. I don't think I got any on there. And then we'll put some sequins on here. Just push that pretty much all the way in. And then I always like to do dimensionals on this layer here. So pretty. And then sequins, to finish it off. One down here, maybe two down here, or another up here. Pretty. And that is our artistically inked card. So I'm offering a free card kit on this class. When you purchase the bundle, just go to my website and order the bundle, and I will send you the free card kit. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Artistically Inked card kit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check out all my other videos with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.